and welcome to series How to Build Test Automation Framework using Page Object Model in Selenium and Java. In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate how to refactor or remove duplicate code. In my previous video, we have automated a scenario wherein we were selecting and unselecting a checkbox, and for that we have added two methods. One is to select and another is to unselect. So if you have taken a close look on all these two methods are almost similar. The only difference is of if condition. So in this video, I will demonstrate step by step to remove this duplicacy. For that, I'm going to add a method void to select, and I will pass two parameters. One will be the index, so that we will pass index of a checkbox, and another a boolean parameter which will tell whether we have to check or uncheck the checkbox. So if to check is true, then we will call to select method and we will pass the index. Else, if it is if to check is false, this means that we have to unselect it, and we will again pass the index. Till now we just added this if and else condition, and let's call this newly created method in our test script, and I'll pass a true condition so that the checkbox at index 1 will be checked. I have executed my test script in debug mode so that we can check whether our script is working fine or not. So we have passed the index 1 and true, and the checkbox is get selected. So this means the code is working fine. Again, let's try to remove the duplicate code, and for that these top three lines are similar. So I'll just copy and paste this line, and the last line is also same. We will copy this if condition and we will paste this if condition in the if block, and we will copy this if condition from the to unselect method and we will paste this over here. Now we are not using these two methods, so maybe for now let's comment it out and again rerun and check whether our code is working fine or not. So yeah, we have passed index 1 and condition true, so checkbox got selected. And if we pass false and evaluate, so our checkbox got unselected. So code is working fine. Now once again let's try to do more refactoring. So this is nested if, and we will try to remove this nested if, and for that I'm going to add a condition over here, and if to check is true and is selected is false, then we are making a not, so it should also get true, and we can remove this if block. Similarly, we will add if condition over here, and we will add this to check not, and we will copy this condition and we will paste over here, and let's remove this if. Okay, so again rerunning my code, and let's see whether it's working fine or not. So we have passed the index 1 and it's true, so it got selected. And if we pass index 2 and we are unchecking it and we are clicking on evaluate, so index 2 checkbox got unselected. So our code is working fine. So we have reduced our code from these much to this line only. Now can we reduce it more, or can we refactor it more? Because to me these two lines are also almost uh, duplicate. So answer is yes, we can remove this the duplicate line too. And for that there is one operator XOR, and we can use that. So what does XOR do? If the operand 1 and operand 2 are true, or we can say if the operand 1 and operand 2 are same, it will return false. In operand 1 and operand 2 are different, it will return true. So in our this scenario, this is the best operator what we can use, and our code will be more optimized. Let's run and see. So yeah, we have passed our we have executed this to select method. Let's rerun, and if it is already selected and how many times you will click call that method, it won't be get unselected. And if you pass false and you click on evaluate, the checkbox 1 got unselected. So now you could see how I have refactored my code from these many lines to this. So that's all what I want to demonstrate in this video. For such tips and tricks, please like and subscribe my channel. And for next videos related to the automation framework, stay tuned. Thank you.